So I'm out here on a service call for this train package unit, just a gas pack for no air conditioning. Got out here, nothing was really going on. Contactor wasn't sucked in or anything like that. Verified I had a call with the low voltage, just testing. I did have a call coming up through the Y. And then kind of standing here, all of a sudden it made like a humming noise, like it was trying to start up. And first I thought the compressor failed and maybe I lost a leg of power, but they actually have one of these little phase monitors built in where usually it'll kill power so it doesn't damage itself if that happens. That was green and lit up, which means it's good. If it's red in here, it means it's you lost a leg of power basically, or rotation's wrong. So as you can see, this one's a mess in here, lots of cobwebs and junk. But so I was watching this a little bit longer and I saw it suck in, trying to start, touching the compressor. It was just boiling hot on the top. And then when it sucked in and tried to start up on the contactor, I also noticed the condensing fan motor was trying to turn over as well. And this was also boiling hot to the touch, still is. So what I'm pretty sure is going on is the condensing fan motor itself is failed, which left this compressor tripping out on internal overload. Because like I said, this thing is just super hot, and then basically as I sit here every so often it'll try again, I think once the temperature of the compressor cools down. So that's what I think is going on. I think my compressor is actually fine. I think just my condenser fan motor failing is making the compressor act up. So I tested my capacitor, making sure it wasn't something easy and quick on the condensing fan motor, but the capacitor checks out okay, but the compressor is just kind of locked up. I also ended up putting like just a screwdriver in there to try to see if I could get it to turn over, and it's locked up completely. So I know my condensing fan motor is bad. And like I said, the compressor I'm pretty sure is okay. I actually did pull it apart too and just ohmed out the compressor, make sure it wasn't anything obvious on that, and everything was good. All my legs were equal with it being 3-phase is what I wanted. Nothing's shorting out to ground or anything like that. So that's what I got going on. It is basically just a failed condensing fan motor. I will write up though that, hey, in my write-up, the compressor definitely got more wear and tear on it from trying to run for who knows how many days with a failed condensing fan motor, which obviously that's going to do some damage to it. So just so they're aware. But this system is a 410A system and it's not too terribly old. I think it's about 10 years old. I mean, it's getting older, but it's not ancient. So I'll just kind of give them a heads up. It is in a restaurant, so I know it gets used pretty hard. But yeah, that's everything. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Just a kind of quick, easy, no air conditioning service call. All right, thanks guys.